How to turn off active status on Reddit. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Reddit, enter a login credential, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, all you want to do is click on this profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here you can see your online status is turned on, which means that people will be able to know that you are active on Reddit. So in order to turn it off, you simply have to click on it. And there you go, your online status has been turned off successfully. Now people on Reddit will not be able to know if you're online or not. You can simply turn it on whenever you want to and turn it off according to it. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you on the next video.